Hi, this is Mahalakshmi. Our topic is ML model for predicting hospital bed availability. This is under SDG 9. Our mentor is Dr. Vinay Hegde sir, and we are of four members Mahalakshmi BN and BS Srivatsa. We both are from ISE, C. Varsha from CSE, and Arpita from CY. So, let me start with an introduction. The real-time bed tracking system prototype presents how hospital can efficiently manage and monitor bed availability using real-time data and intelligent analysis. It is designed to provide instant visibility of bed occupancy across different departments, enabling hospital staff to make faster and informed decisions during patient admissions, especially in emergency situations. By integrating the live data tracking and alert mechanism, the prototype showcase the practical solution for improving hospital resource utilization and reduce operational issues. The system connects multiple hospitals on single platform to show real-time bed availability. This helps patients and hospital staff clearly see where beds are available without any confusion. When one hospital is full, patients can be directed to another hospital with available beds. This reduces overcrowding and improves patient admission management. Now, my friend B.S. Srivatsa will continue with the presentation. He will be explaining how the website works and all.
Thank you, Mahalakshmi. Hello, sir. Myself, B.S. Srivatsa. So I'm going to explain like each and every detail of the website and the working of the website. So let's begin with the login portal. So this is a login portal. I have created two different login portals for a patient and for the hospitals as well. So for demo purpose, I have integrated two hospitals, that is the City General Hospital and St. Mary's Medical Center. So first, let's go with the City General Hospital. For demo purpose, I have given the admin access key as a random key. You can type any random password and it will lead you to the dashboard. So I'm typing a random password. Yeah. I've admitted few patients for the demo purposes. So this total occupancy bar, which will show you the total occupancy of the admitted beds, and this is the ICU count, and this is the cardiology count, and it's the same goes for the neurology, general ward, and emergency as well. For demonstration purposes, we have integrated two graphs, that is a bar graph and a pie chart. For the bar graph depicts the predicted bed availability in the next 2 hours. We have trained a specific model of that, and this is the predicted output. So since I have admitted a patient Gautam in the cardiology department, it is showing a blue spike in the cardiology, and since I have admitted a Tarun in the ICU department, it is showing a blue spike in the um, ISO department. So coming to the pie chart, there I have integrated different colors to differentiate between the different available departments in the hospital, and you can see the this is the one patient admitted in the ICU department, and this is the general ward, and this is the cardiology ward. So this chart basically deals with ICU, cardiology, neurology, general ward, and emergency ward. I have given five different colors for five different available departments. So these are the patients admitted, named Gautam, Gauri, and Tarun. And the Tarun is admitted to the ICU, which will be indicated in the red colored ink to enhance the emergency situation. So we have trained a specific model for the AI risk analysis. So since you are seeing this, this depicts the probability of the person discharging. So the actions reads the safe to discharge, and I will show this is the AI virtual assistant, and this is a train model specially. It will deal with two types of uh, functions. The first one is the pet availability. We have integrated and we have trained the model based on the Kaggle datasets, which is the real-time datasets. We have trained model using that, and we can see the bed availability. If you give the command the bed availability in March, it will show the prediction, AI-based prediction. That is the model train-based prediction for the availability of the beds based on the previous trends. ICU 5 and cardio 12, general 22, and ER 20. This is emergency regard 2%, and the confidence score is 92%. That is the accuracy of the model. So we can search for any months. I will go with January. Yeah, it's a real-time based analysis system. Okay, as I said you, this AI box will deal with two types of functions. The first one is the bed availability in the specific months based on the previous trends, and second function is that if you type the symptoms, it will take you to the respected department. For example, if you search brain, it will take you to the neurology department, so that it will be hassle free for the uh, management department. So I'm gonna admit a new patient named Gandhi, and I'll give it age 45. Name. I'll admit to the cardiology department. This specific bar is regarding the how many number of days the parents get the patient admitted in the specific department. So I'm gonna admit him in a cardiology department. As you see, the patient has been admitted in the cardiology department, and the graphs has been spiked to 2. The blue color line has been spiked to 2, and it's a real-time working graphs. So this analytic log is also based on the ML model, and it's based on the different dates in which the bed availability will be counted. This is basically the dashboard. And coming to the Analytics Pro, this is the efficiency score of the that means like that is the efficiency score in which the bed availability will be predicted, and the revenue generated by each and every patient will be shown here. And the current revenue generated is underutilized, means the bed is underutilized. The number of patients are very less. Okay, it also generates a revenue alert. And coming to the below box, it is the AI staff intelligence box, which allocates the nurse based on the requirements. So as you can see, in ICU ward, nurse have been allocated in 1:2 ratio, and in general ward, the nurses have been allocated into 1:5 ratio. So these are basically the dashboard which I've integrated, and the uh, discharging methodology is very simple. You just click on the discharge button, and the patient will be discharged accordingly, and the graphs will be shifted, or the graph will be allocated accordingly, both the graphs. And coming to the cloud component, I've used the tunneling concept in this. So based on the graph, if I test the relay, so this notification will come, and it will generate a notification which is end-to-end encrypted from the department as well as the management. So they will receive a alert like that the capacity remains within the safe margins into the respective mobile devices of the concerned authorities. So this is basically the cloud component which I've integrated in this, and I also generated a Excel sheet report which can be downloaded in a Excel sheet format. As you can see, the bill will be generated according to this. So this is the basic dashboard of the management authorities, and we can also shift to another different hospital. It's basically the same. We can enter any demo key and access the dashboard. So for demo purpose, I have integrated 3 patients, and the graphs works as well, and both graphs works as well. Same goes with Analytics Pro, 3% and the revenue generated, air staff intelligence. They both are the same. We can add multiple hospitals. Just for demo purpose, we have added only 2 hospitals. Now, the main component is the public patient access. If you are a new user, you can go to the register now, and you can register by giving your full name, username, email address, and a password. Password will be completely hashed and entered encrypted for security concerns. I have created a username by using this email ID. I will log in. This is the email ID which is registered, and I have given a password as well, encrypted password. I'm gonna log in into the portal. So the what the patient does is which department he needs, or which department is needed by any of his friends. He can search for that department. He can select that department from the drop down list. Basically, integrated 5 departments which can be expanded further if needed. So, if a patient search for cardiology, I am searching cardiology for demo purpose. Search hospitals. So, as I have admitted 1 patient in cardiology in City General Hospital, it will reduce 1 count and display the available count. Since I've admitted 1 patient in St. Mary's Medical Center, it will reduce 1 count, and it will display the remaining count of the cardiology department. We can test this for another department as well. We are searching for general department. Yeah, in one person I've been admitted in Chichi General Hospital in the general ward department. So the one count has been reduced and displaying the 49 available beds. And the St. Mary's up 40 on 40 is available. We can same goes for neurology as well. Yeah. Only one is admitted in St. Mary's Hospital, so one count has been reduced. Okay. So this is based on the department, or he wants to just browse the hospitals based on the bed availability. The here the hospital location will be displayed, and the hospital ratings based on the user real time ratings will also be displayed over here. And if you click on the hospital bed availability, it will show the patient reviews, like how the hospital performs, like how the hospital treats their customers, they treat their patients. The patient reviews will be displayed here. So you can see the available bed count of each and every department in City General Hospital, Downtown, North Wing, and the rating of the hospital is 4.8. And it same goes with the St. Mary's Medical Center as well. Section based bed availability for all the departments available. Okay, and this is the review for the section St. Mary's Medical Center. So this is the patient department. So we can log out of here. This is the same as I said you before. Full name, username, email address, and create password. If you fill these criterias in the following way, you can create a new patient. You can be the patient of the hospital. These two portals are there. So this is a website. Thank you.
Thank you, Srivatsa, for explaining. Thank you, sir. This was our project. Thank you for helping us. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Guidance was the most important thing to us. It helps us in many ways. Thank you, sir.